Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to change Snapchat camera orientation in 2025. If you've ever struggled with your camera flipping unexpectedly or wanted to switch between portrait and landscape modes seamlessly, this guide is for you. Snapchat has rolled out some cool updates this year, making it easier than ever to customize your camera settings. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat installed on your device. Head over to your App Store, update if needed, and then open the app. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your settings. It's that simple, no digging through menus. Now, scroll down in your profile settings until you see the Camera and Media section. This is where the magic happens in 2025. Tap on it, and you'll find a new option labeled Orientation Preferences. Here, you can choose from Auto Rotate, Fixed Portrait, or even Landscape mode for those epic wide-angle shots. Select your preferred option. For example, if you want your camera to always stay in landscape, just toggle that switch. After you've made your selection, hit the Save button at the bottom. Snapchat will apply the changes instantly, so go ahead and test it out by swiping to the camera view. Take a snap or a video, and you'll see the difference right away. Pro tip: if you're using an older device, you might need to restart the app for the changes to take full effect. One more thing. If you're dealing with front and back camera switches, there's a sub-option in the same menu called Camera Flip Settings. This lets you customize how the camera behaves when you switch lenses. It's a game changer for content creators. There you have it, folks. Changing your Snapchat camera orientation is quick and straightforward in 2025. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.